Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing on mobile. If the Instagram Notes feature is missing from your account, try the following ways to get it. First way, update Instagram. The easiest solution for Instagram Notes not showing is updating the Instagram app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you can see the update option next to the Instagram app, click on it to install the latest version of the app. Then, open the Instagram app and click the message icon and check if the note bubble is appearing. If this doesn't work for you, try the next step. Second way, switch to a professional account. Switching to a professional account on Instagram can fix many problems with this app. Tap on your profile picture icon, click the three lines menu, then select Settings and tap Account. Scroll down and click Switch Professional Account. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your professional account. Next, check if the Notes option shows up. If yes, repeat the videos and go back to the personal account on Instagram and check the Notes feature again. And the third option, turn on activity status. You can turn on the activity status to fix Instagram Notes not working. Click on the profile icon, click the three lines menu, choose the settings, and click privacy. Scroll down to activity status. And then, enable the show activity status option. Go to your chat list and refresh the page, then see if the notes option is showing. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.